guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all 3 natural products that helps our hair grow longer, faster, thicker and prevent dandruff and leave shine to the hair. The benefit of aloe vera plant on our hair and on our scalp. Aloe vera plant helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp, helps to promote hair growth and prevent dandruff, also leaves shine to the hair. So I'm also going to be using coconut oil. Using coconut oil is a natural way that helps your hair grow longer, faster, thicker and leave the hair shining. So the last one is going to be Jamaica black castor oil. This oil is very good on our scalp and on our hair. It helps hair lose, fight against dandruff and also scalp infections. So if you're in the UK and you're in Leeds and you want to get aloe vera fresh plants, you can always get it from the market, from the Leeds market. I bought this for $4.99. For the coconut oil, I think you can get coconut oil from any shop, but I bought this from the Leeds market and I bought it for $3.99. Any health shop, but I can't remember the price. I have to wash the aloe vera. And you can store it in any clean container. This is the oil after you finish. This is how the oil should look, just like this. So before applying this oil, make sure your hair is clean. Wash your hair with shampoo, let it dry. Apply this oil into the scalp and massage it in. Leave it in for overnight and wash it out without using a shampoo. You can only apply your conditioner. Okay. This oil is very good for our hair. It fights against dandruff, prevents our scalp from infections, makes the hair grow faster, longer and thicker. So guys, give this oil a try and leave me your comments. Let me know if it works for you. Makes our hair grow faster, longer, thicker and prevent issues on the scalp. Use this oil 3 times a week and you will get results in just 2 weeks. Thank you guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so anytime I upload a new video, you will get a notification.